How do you rebuild your self-confidence post-divorce or post any relationship that was valuable and important to you coming to an end? It starts with understanding that confidence is from the root word confide, which means trust in yourself. We can all be shaken when a relationship comes to an end that we thought was going to last much longer, that we valued, that gave us a sense of happiness, sense of fulfillment, right? So that's normal. It's just your regular emotions. But your confidence stems from integrity. It's in your performance and your actions. It's saying you're going to do something to yourself and doing it. That becomes self-rewarding. When you do it consistently enough, it develops a positive loop, a positive reward. It becomes a habit that we know that we can trust ourselves. You can trust yourself. Also, it allows you to be able to see areas of growth after whatever the relationship comes to an end. Because there's always an area of growth. Either that person had a certain personality trait that we didn't match us, we couldn't work through it, or we may have had a personality trait that just had not grown to the point of being able to have a successful relationship with that person. Here's the other benefits of maintaining your self-confidence and your confidence in yourself. Emotional balance. You don't swing far left or far right, right? You know who you are, you know what your best is, and you are determined to do your best. Thus, confidence comes from inside. The third, is mental clarity. Being mentally clear is by far the most valuable quality you could have post anything that you consider to be a failure. Relationship, marriage, post anything. Clarity to move forward. To be able to see, here's who I am, here's where I did my best, here's the nice type of person that I need to become the best that I can possibly be, and here's what I'm willing to contribute to that person. That's mental clarity. So hopefully these thoughts have been able to pique something within you to help you to recover quickly from a relationship that has come to an end, especially a relationship that was a committed marriage that has unfortunately come to an end. So wish you all the blessings and success you deserve.